Hi, Stan. Merry Christmas. Gussie? Nikki? What are you making?
My best friend's cookies.
Ah, nice.
Cookie recipe.
Those just happen to be my favorite.
Miss Kristen.
Miss Kristen, she's a wizard.
I'm making the homemade caramel glaze.
Nice. I'm looking forward to eating some of them bad boys.
Yes.
Let's go see what Holden's doing. Holden.
Hi.
Hi. How you doing? What are you doing? Are you playing with the cars on the chalkboard?
Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh.
That's fast, man.
Puppies. Puppies.
Yeah, that's a puppy.
Woo-hoo.
Where's an airplane?
Oh no, cars.
Do you see a car on here too?
Ooh, sassy.
You see Frosty? Where's Frosty?
Sassy.
Where's Frosty?
Sassy.
Holden, do you know who Santa is?
Sassy.
Yeah, is he gonna come see you tonight? It looks like his helpers are here already. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Do you know what you want for Christmas?
I like cookies.
Yeah, you got lots of cool stuff in here, though, that's for sure. Are you gonna say... Holden, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, love you.
Bye.
Good boy.